Good afternoon. After COVID, I think all of you are searching online for any products, grocery, for anything, or maybe searching for the content, or you have HR system and you search for the name of people and you don't find the name of the person. So, and maybe you heard about ChatGPT that they launched last month, and it's really was a awesome product, but in Arabic I think we don't have a lot of this type of product. So according to statistic, 50% of visitor of your website, if you are e-commerce, online publisher or SaaS service, they are searching for the content, but they are not looking for, or they don't find what they are looking for because the mismatch between the content and the query that they use it. So they are, if you are e-commerce website, they go immediately to other competitors and you lose the revenue. If you check about global market, if they are invest in their search box inside their website, you can find Vista, Coursera, a lot of examples. They are trying to invest in their search box bar inside their website. How big is this problem? You can see that all the e-commerce, grocery app, they need these tools. Also the online publisher, government website, if you are checking the government website and search for visa as example, in Arabic it's really difficult. تأشيرة الدخول, it's different from, sorry I speak Arabic, but it's different word. تأشيرة الدخول or visa, they write in different way. Also archiving, content management system, all of them they need search. So for all these type of products, the search is something for or related to their revenue. If we check or if we do marketing research in MENA region, you can check that according to the numbers, all of them they don't have any good search engine inside their website. Like if they are good or if they don't have even autocomplete when they are typing, they don't have, if you change one letter, it's give you incorrect result. Why the problem is really hard? Because the Arabic language is very rich. One word can mean different contexts, like align or eyes. Maybe it's insights, maybe it's spring. But it's in Arabic, write in one way. So it's really difficult. Abu Dhabi, you can write it in Google in 6 ways. So how is the search engine understand? It's according to any software, it's different words. Above all of them, the dialects. The dialects in Arabic, we have Gulf, we have Lebanese, we have Egypt. It's really difficult problem. So here's some examples, from a lot of websites. Like if you check LabLeb, we write Abu Dhabi in different way, we get different search results. Also known, one of the biggest e-commerce here in Emirates, Galaxy, we change one letter. All the people write it sometimes there and sometimes like this, and give different search results. It's really big problem. And a lot of other examples from a different platform. And this is easy examples, it's not complex in Arabic. So, if we check the global market also, or enterprise cloud search market in the world, one of the best search as a service platform, Algolia, its valuation is now $3 billion. And Covio, Proceedwork, and Elastic, all of them, they are really, they have search engine, but in English and other language, but they don't support Arabic, or they support Arabic in low level. Enterprise search market size will be 10 billion in 2024. So we have here in MENA region have any solution? It's really complex. If anyone decide, if you have business to decide to build the search engine, we check diacritics, dialects, Arabic text processing, stemming, and a lot of other things, and also the ranking algorithm, how to put the first correct one and the first result correct one in the first position. So it will take a lot of time, but the result is really far. The solution is, we built this solution, Arabic search engine. It's LabLeb search as a service platform. It's helped any business to increase the revenue, the page view, and the development faster because there is a specialized team working in Arabic language, and it's developed every day because we have a lot of data. And so we enhance our machine learning algorithm, and of course understand the Arabic language. We are partnered with different companies now, Shopify, Salla, Zaid, Xpengcard, and there is some of major clients that we have, Harvard Business Review, Arqam, and our solution gives support for Arabic language, autocomplete one of the features. We also have a recommender engine if you want to build clever related to products or suggested products or suggest similar articles inside your website, and of course analytics that help to understand your business or what the people are searching for. It's very easy to implement the search. You have also dashboard to enhance it. There is analytics. We also enhance this dashboard now. How it's big? We are build the engine that understand the language, so we can build like now we are in our product roadmap. We want to build voice search and also document classification inside the web the search engine. And we have a lot of products that we can build using this engine that understand the Arabic language. The unique problem that we have only in Arabic region, only open source tool that understand the Arabic language, but it's really far from the result that we need, and it's not help the business. Also that we are working with different universities here in Lebanon and Emirates, like with researcher in LB language, Arabic language. Also, we have a R&D process inside our company. We have a lot of demos actually, and also we still have the demos. All of them, they said that yes, this is a big problem. 80% they said they are ready to subscribe. Another, they want to try Algolia because it's really big company, but they say that our version in Arabic it's better from Algolia. Some of them they check internally because they think that they are good to build it. There is some points here from all the demo that we do. Our strategy, go-to-market strategy, we have direct sales. That's which we have salesperson, and also we have partners like one of the biggest content management system in Saudi Arabia, because they last 2 weeks or last 2 months, the Saudi government and Kuwait government said that all the products or content management system and archiving system should have search engine or good understanding to Arabic language. So we are partnered with different content management system in these two countries, and we are working with them. Also, we have direct enterprise sales plans like sign up, all emails, and all of them. Also, we are planning to have a developer community to increase our to make all the developers and use our system. This is the pricing list. We have 4 plans: free plan, starter, pro, enterprise. It's related to number of products and number of request call. And there is additional record if you are above or extend your usage. We have additional records and requests for every request and documents that you enter. The founders, actually, the 2 founders, me and Abdeslam Haikal, we are working for this for more than 3 years. And Abdeslam, who is one of the biggest, we work in industry for more than 20 years, especially in enterprise and the Arabic language specialized. For me, I'm also a geek person. I like AI. I have a baccalaureate degree in this, and I work with a lot of research projects before I entered LabLeb. I'm responsible about everything inside the product and the technology on it. I think that's it, everything. I hope that you like it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, guys, I would like to ask you one thing. Can you smile? I know that it's morning, and yeah, thank you that you came here like at 12 sharp, not like others who are still late. But anyway, so do we have questions here? And I would like us to first, like our first row first, please.
Hi. So you guys have been working on this for almost 3 years, right?
Yes.
So talking about the roadmap of development when you started till now, can you just walk us through some of the steps? Like how are you evolving the product roadmap?
Yeah, of course. Actually, before we start LabLeb search as a service, we are developing something like Google. But we pivot because we think that it's not the right moment here in our region. So, and we check in this, when we offer our products to different company, that they have like 1,000 documents or information, but the people don't find, or they're searching for something, but they don't find what they are looking for, so they change the website or go to the Google. So we start at this point, and we check with a lot of initial clients that they like our products. And we start from here to involve the products. It's, I think, from the 3 years ago, it's enhanced more than 10 times. And our search also it's enhanced because we have a lot of data, so it's learn using the data that we have. Also, the revenue that we have, we are we have a lot of clients or partners like Shopify, as I told you. So I don't know if you get the...
Yeah, I do. So if we're moving to the actual revenue now, how many customers do you have subscribed?
We have as subscriber 120.
120. And what's the recurring revenue that you're getting on?
Monthly, it's 1,800.
Okay. And are you guys raising money? Are you?
Yeah,
yes.
Of course.
How much?
It's between 1 million and 1.5 million.
And what's the valuation?
It's between 5 million.
And where are you going to use the money for?
Okay, we have 3 points here. The strategy we have: the product, of course, and the sales team, and we are trying to build the community of the developer. These 3 points that we want to focus.
I have one last question, just to emphasize on the different dialects in Arabic, and you guys getting into the voice as well. I think it's a bit harder, like if you're able to do the whole Middle East and North Africa and you're trying to speak different dialects. Are you segmenting them into like stage 1, stage 2, and what based on the usage? How is this working?
Yeah, actually here I think we start with our clients. Like our clients are now, it's all of them in the Gulf, especially in Emirates and Saudi. So we will start in this cycle, and then we move to Egypt because it's the second one that we have the clients, and then we will start with other dialects. This is the process.
Right. Thank you.
One more thing, guys, can you just like represent yourself before? Okay, yeah, before asking the question. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the Chief Solutions Officer of Office Multilingual. So this is quite relevant actually. So Amazon and Google probably spend each probably about $500,000 a month or 2 months just on search evaluation to improve their engines. Now I know that they're not even touching Arabic yet because it's machine translation, you can't get that right. So are you having to invest a lot to evaluate your data so that you can improve your engines, or how are you doing that?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, this is a big problem actually. Like how to enhance the data that you have. Actually, because I told you, because we start before we launch our product, so we have around 1 tera data, and we try to in Arabic specialize, and it's it's for different products like name entity recognition in Arabic, how to know the names because it's really difficult in Arabic. Like Habi, it's Saeed, it's Saeed, Saeedan. It's one it's subject or adjective, sorry, and one it's the name of this person. So how it's really difficult sentences here in Arabic. So here for the data we have development team or it's research team that's enhance or we check every time the data, how we are annotation them, how to improving them, where is the problem? Because we are having another analytics dashboard, not the dashboard that we give the client. This dashboard it's give them give us insight about where the points that every client are not working well. As example, like if the person search for specific product and there is no result, so they should the product or product enhanced. Why did he give the or give the user and user zero result? So we get this query and we check the data. After that, we see that's why there is a problem. This is one of the examples. Also, we have the evaluation of the models, and there is a lot of tricks that we have for the machine learning model.
Okay, so Shopify, when they carry out the search, they're pulling AI from your system. Are you able to pull data back so when someone else does a different search, you can actually see what's going on Shopify side?
Yeah, Shopify, it's marketplace because there is default search in Shopify, and inside the marketplace you can download our app. So it's because Shopify and Zed and all of them the same, but Zed and Sella and Xpendcar, they are local.
Yeah.
But we have our app inside their marketplace, and everyone or anyone want to enhance the search or the default search in this website, he can install or she can install the LabLeb search engine.
Good morning. My name is Christina. I've been part of the team working actually with Google Search years ago, so I know how challenging it could be. And it's great to see that you're working on something which is connecting consumers and brands, so congratulations. My question is that you already mentioned that you are basically working with a query where, let's say, the results are not there. How are you making sure that whatever results are coming out, so they're actually matching the request? And how do you work with the spellings, with the name in the query? Let's say the words are in the different order from the actual name of the product. So how do you approach this?
Okay, here it's really difficult. We have different answers. The first one about the autocorrect, we have also autocorrect model that's specific for Arabic language. So if someone writes, as example in Arabic, there is Hamza, and I'm not sure. There is Hamza first. So if someone writes it with Hamza or without Hamza, the default one that they don't understand. Here in LabLeb search engine, we enhance something inside the model of autocorrect that immediately match that with Hamza or without Hamza, it's the same word. And also about what is autocorrect we call the analytics of the dashboard. We tell the clients about what the problem inside the search, like where is inside the dashboard of this. Like this query, the result, like if someone searched for iPhone, maybe he clicked the result that's third one or third order, not the first one. So we told him immediately like, there is error here. Why he clicked third one, not the first one? So we enhance immediately after that the ranking algorithm, or we check with the client. There is inside the dashboard. He can change the ranking algorithm according to his business need.
Okay, and are you planning to add any human review as well to it? Once you have a subscribed client, so is there any support they're getting not only on?
Yeah, the subscriber client, they have the option inside the client. We don't change immediately the model if it's not obvious mistake in Arabic. So we enhance only if it's obvious mistake. If it's not, we are going to manual, because the client check from the dashboard where is the problem inside his search. because we give him some insight.
Okay, I guess I will clarify the question. And so what I'm trying to understand here is that one thing is that when you're able to identify, let's say, the bad matching or the bad results based on how the consumer behaves, right? And this is happening automatically, as you said, you already have this process in place. But is there a human review, which is, let's say, your quality review team, which would follow up with the client and would actually experience the product by themselves? Because there are a lot of cases which machine automatically can miss out on.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have a team dedicated to this, or are you planning to having somebody like that?
Yeah, we have only now customer success one person, and after that, after the race, actually, yes, we built a team that's specific about to catch some mistake like this and tell the clients how to improve or have success story inside their website after they're using LabLeb. Because after when anyone subscribes to our platform, we call him immediately and tell him that, hi, if you are e-commerce website, this is the best ranking algorithm for your engine. So immediately he check it, and all the default settings immediately go to his search engine. So we have different, if I get your point, there is default setting according to the domain of the business. There is for media, for government, for also the e-commerce website.
Just the last question for me. So, Kinder, with your existing team, you mentioned about founders, but what's the composition of the team? What is your sales team, marketing team like? Because in order to bring in, so what's blocking you basically today from bringing new sales?
Yeah, actually we have 12 teams now. All of them, they are background tech. And for sales also we are, me and Aksan, who working in the sales directly with the client. And we have also partnered with different like Transtech and Vsot in Saudi. They go with the sales for us. For the tech team, it's everything built in-house. We don't do anything outside.
And with the 1 million plus sales, and how many more people you're planning to hire?
Here actually I think it's depending on the size of the amount that we calculate. Because I'm not big fan to raise a lot of people, and after that, so it's not very well. I think that we should check every step before to hire a lot of people, and we don't do anything good.
How many salespeople you get now?
I'm not. This is depending on the amount that we raise.
Okay, thank you.
I think the last question here in the
Hi, this is Vikas here. I'm an angel investor. I usually invest in technology startups. So I have a few questions. How the product is good. What is your TAM?
Time we start.
Your TAM, total available market. Have you done some research?
Yeah, I think for the market here in the region, it's 3 billion around. But this is the initial amount.
Okay. And what's the cost of customer acquisition?
And now currently,
Yeah.
it's 120.
Cost of customer acquisition.
No, sorry, cost of
There's something called cost.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I heard it the wrong way. It's actually zero because we don't. Everyone we got with the sales. Everyone they understand the products. So the cycle for any acquisition it's less than 1 week.
I'm sorry, I think you didn't get my question. There is a cost of per customer acquisition. For example, when you said 120 customers you have, right? You said that. So 120 customers, there is a cost involved to get those customers. So I hope you haven't done this analysis. Third is, you said that 5 million valuation with 1 million raise. So you are okay to dilute 20% equity?
Sorry, I didn't get the last.
Is this your first round?
Sorry?
This is your first round?
Yeah, there is seed round, yeah, the first one.
So when you are keeping a valuation of 5 million and raising 1 million, you are going to dilute 20% equity.
Yeah.
So you are okay to dilute 20% in the seed round?
I think we want to raise more than 1 million. It's 1 million and 1 million half.
So when you raise more, you are going to dilute more because you have kept the valuation 5 million. Anyways, we talk about it. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.